Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through one of the projects I've worked on, but in English. For privacy reasons, I refer to the company and the project name simply as Project A. Good afternoon everyone. In Project A, the core challenge I faced was this. The company already had SAP as a solid financial backend, but many of the front-end business processes, like procurement and reimbursement, were either extremely rigid inside SAP or handled entirely offline. This created a strange situation. Well, the process happens outside the system and the final result gets manually entered into SAP. That means the data was neither real-time nor accurate. So my mission was very clear. Not to replace SAP, but to build an agile process brain around it, a BPM system. The goal was to deeply integrate the two, so front-end processes could connect seamlessly with back-end finance. My approach can be summarized in 3 key steps. First, I made a very deliberate architecture choice. Instead of doing heavy custom development inside SAP, I introduced a dedicated BPM platform to handle workflow orchestration. My reasoning was simple. BPM is great at collaboration and process control, while SAP is great at structured data and records. Each system should do what is best at. Second, I led the integration design with a start from the end mindset. Whenever I designed a BPM workflow, the first thing I considered was what is the final object that needs to be created in SAP. For example, when a vendor approval workflow finishes in BPM, it should automatically create a compliant vendor master record in SAP. When a reimbursement workflow finishes, it should automatically generate an accurate financial posting. This completely eliminated manual data entry. Finally, I built a closed-loop data value chain. This is the essence of the entire design. We had employees log their working hours in BPM. Finance allocated salary costs based on those hours, and SAP automatically generated profit and loss statements by business unit. This meant BPM didn't just improve process efficiency, it enabled SAP to produce refined managerial reports that were impossible to generate automatically before. In the end, once this BPM plus SAP ecosystem went live, it created some fundamental changes. Process-wise, workflows like reimbursement and procurement went from several weeks offline to just a few days online, an efficiency improvement of over 70%. Data-wise, SAP's data became real-time and accurate. For the first time, management could see business unit level reports generated directly from live operational data, which significantly improved decision quality. So for me, this project was far more than a system integration effort. It was a successful example of using product architecture to combine two systems into a 1+1 greater than 2 digital solution, and it really demonstrated my ability to turn business pain points into technical solutions that deliver real, measurable business value. Okay, that's it. See you next time.